IT Essentials Monday. We did a little overview, talked a little bit about tools, talked a little bit identifying parts, and the students took apart their PCs. Wednesday, coming up, we're going to look at the items inside, continue to work on them, reassemble the computers, take the Chapter 1 exam. This will be the second taking of that. If we get time, we'll ID some parts. I talked a little bit about the motherboard, talked a little bit about power, about hard storage, and a little bit about input and output. Reminded them how important it is to document their work, and there was work due Monday night from the first chapter. Alright, that's it.